When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, Freshdesk versus Kayako is a common debate that many businesses face. Both offer solid solutions for managing customer support, but which one is truly the best? Stick around because we're going to break down the features, pricing, and user experience of both, plus, I'll share an alternative at the end that might just surprise you. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about ease of use. Freshdesk is often praised for its user-friendly interface, especially for those new to help desk software. It's designed to be intuitive, making it easy to navigate for teams that might not have a dedicated IT department. Kayako, on the other hand, is a bit more complex. While it offers customization options, this can come at the cost of a steeper learning curve, making it harder for smaller teams to get up and running quickly. Next, let's discuss the pricing. Freshdesk offers a free plan with essential features, which is great for startups or small businesses. Paid plans are fairly priced and scale well as your team grows, offering additional features like reporting, automation, and multi-channel support. Kayako, while also offering a free trial, tends to be pricier, especially for its more advanced plans. It's not the most budget-friendly option if you're just starting out, but it might make sense for larger teams that need more robust features. The third thing worth mentioning is the ticket management. Freshdesk does a great job at simplifying ticket workflows with features like automatic ticket assignment and smart ticketing systems. This means less manual effort and a smoother support process. Kayako, however, excels in multi-channel support, offering integration with email, chat, and social media right out of the box. But when it comes to customizing workflows, Freshdesk often feels like the more streamlined option. Fourth, we need to address automation and reporting. Freshdesk shines in this area, offering powerful automation tools like ticket routing, canned responses, and SLA management, all of which are customizable to fit your needs. Kayako also offers automation, but it lacks some of the more advanced customization features that Freshdesk provides. As for reporting, Freshdesk's analytics dashboard is intuitive, giving teams a clear view of key metrics. Kayako's reports are more basic and may require some manual effort to get the level of detail that Freshdesk can provide effortlessly. Now, let's talk about integrations. Both Freshdesk and Kayako have a solid selection of integrations with popular tools like CRM systems, chatbots, and e-commerce platforms. However, Freshdesk tends to have more integrations available thanks to its larger user base and ecosystem of third-party apps. Kayako does offer integrations too, but it might require more customization and technical expertise to set them up properly. So, which one is truly the best help desk software? Both Freshdesk and Kayako have their strengths, and depending on your needs, one may suit you better than the other. Freshdesk is ideal for small to medium-sized teams looking for ease of use, affordability, and powerful automation features. Kayako is better suited for businesses with complex support needs and larger teams, especially if you need robust multi-channel support right out of the box. But after trying both myself, if you want a better alternative, one that combines the best of both worlds, there's a solution that outperforms both in key areas. If you're looking for something that offers better customization, reporting, and integration, you should definitely check out the free trial of the tool linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits only for our viewers. So, while Freshdesk and Kayako are both good options, if you want a solution that takes your customer support to the next level, don't miss the free trial. It's the smart choice for businesses that want efficiency and scalability.